If you are thinking about referrals or you don't have any, and that is what stopping you from joining VERYCHAT, or maybe you are already mining but worried about not getting a KYC slot, then this video is for you. Today I am going to break down everything you need to know about their KYC verification system, including the two types, Node KYC and the upcoming Regular KYC expected in Q2 between May and June. At the end of this video, you will clearly understand how the entire process worked and what to expect from VERYCHAT. So if this sounds good to you, then watch this video to the end and like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first person you see it. So based on their KYC system, they have two KYC, which is the Node KYC for the node validators, and we have Regular KYC that will be open for everyone, which is expected in Q2, of which is between this May and June. KYC will open for everyone. So if you are worrying about referrals, maybe people are saying you need to have referral before you do a KYC, it's not that. That's why I'm making this video, to explain you, to let you understand how their KYC system it is, right? So they have two KYC, as I said earlier, the Node KYC and the Regular KYC. So this is the Node KYC. So this is the eligibility criteria for the Node KYC, right? So you can see announcement, right, in their app. So you can see, hello VERYCHAT community, based on the April 23rd snapshot 8 UTC, a total of 63 nodes have been distributed in this round, right? So this is the criteria, right? Node distribution criteria. You can see level 7 plus users. So if you are not in level 7, you are not part of the node distribution. So you need to invite friends. So invite friends must maintain a linear and consistency activity. So if you haven't invited someone, you need to let them be active, right, and consistency. So the exact criteria are not disclosed to prevent abuse, right? So that's what they said about this node verification. So before you can get a node as a node validator in VERYCHAT, you need to have at least level 7. You need to reach level 7. And how can you see your level? So you tap on this, your name. Once you tap on, you can see I'm currently on level 2. You can see friends to level up, it is 5, right? So currently my level is level 2. That's how we check our levels, right? So now we have explained the criteria that required. If you want to be a node validator, you need to have at least level 7, right, before you can get a node. Then you complete your KYC. So once you reach the level 7 and you receive a node, it will appear top here, right? You see something like a sun, something like a sun. Then you tap on it, do. So after you receive the node, that give you a chance to complete your KYC. Those have been completed their KYC in VERYCHAT. It's not a standard KYC. The upcoming one is the standard. It is a regular that will be open for everyone, right? So that's why I'm explaining this, to let you understand the project. There's no project that will let half of the community complete their KYC and other are just signing without KYC. No. So if you look at their tokenomics, you can see node validators will have a different allocation, right? So if you are not a node validator or you haven't received node, it's not problem. Node is a choice, right? You can choose to choose. You can also not choose to choose. It's not problem, right? So the standard KYC or the regular KYC will open for everyone. So if you haven't joined VERYCHAT, this is the right time. I am explaining to you. After watching this video, make sure you use the link on the description section or comment section of this video and start right now. If you remember how Ari Wallet did, right? Ari Wallet, most of the people have completed their KYC. We have those people called the ICO, or it's what, something like that. Yeah, something about they bought the ICO and something like that. They have completed their KYC, right, before we do the token verification. So that's how even Pi Network did the same thing. We have people called validators. So if you participate in the validators, you will get a KYC first. For those people are not participating, to get their KYC. So that's how VERYCHAT is doing. So VERYCHAT's KYC will be open for everyone. So let me show you something. If you come to their X page, you see the same thing. You need to reach at least level 7 before you can get a node. Then you complete your KYC. So node validators will get KYC fast, and regular KYC will become for those are mining without participating in the node. So you can read more about their post about their KYC. And based on my research, I have seen that based on the current information regarding VERYCHAT node, KYC is specifically associated with the node distribution phase, which requires higher, right, escalating user level 7 plus as of late March 2026, as I read in their post. So participation in regular KYC, which is the upcoming, you generally do not need to complete node KYC participation in the upcoming regular KYC. So which they are saying that there's no need to complete the node KYC before you complete the upcoming, right? It's no need to complete the node KYC before you complete the regular, which is the upcoming ones in the May-June. So if you are not node validator, it's no problem, just wait for the upcoming KYC. And this one also said, based on VERYCHAT's project structure, the upcoming general KYC is mandatory for all users aiming to claim the airdrop to prevent both activity. How the node KYC is a separate requirement specifically for those holding node NFT. So it doesn't mean that if you're a node validator, you are not part of the general, you are part of the upcoming. So let's listen to here. We can see key details. General airdrop KYC, highly likely mandatory for all users, which is the upcoming. The project has stated that KYC is planned soon to strengthen the one-on-one system, one user, one wallet, and prevent abuse. Look at here. Node KYC, this specific to node validator. Status required to manage and claim reward from node NFTs, which require 31 referrals to obtain. So if you don't have that 31 referral to participate in the node, it's not problem. Listen to here, are both required. So both the node KYC and the regular KYC are required for the airdrop. Look at here. If you are only a regular user, right, if you're regular, which means if you're not a node validator, you only need to pass the general KYC when it's launched, how it's come in this Q2, right, May and June. If you are node holder, the node holders listening to this, you will likely need to fulfill both, as node verification acts as proof of human for advanced users. And look at the aim, right, to be safe, aim to mine at least 1,000 Very tokens, as this is the current target mentioned for eligibility to participate in the KYC process. And this is our last search, the summary. Don't need both. Regular KYC allow you to claim your mine Very tokens. Node KYC is only for those participating in the separate node validator program. So that's how the KYC all is about, right? And one happy news is that currently, if you download VERYCHAT application and you start mining, we have 2x reward mining. So this is celebrating of reaching 1 million dollars. So now VERYCHAT has reached $1 million. So you can see we are closing a big 2x mining reward, 2x invitation reward, and 5 free instant harvest, right? So if you start right now, you mine fast. So if you are not mining VERYCHAT, right from this video, check the link in the description section or comment section of this video, right, and start mining VERYCHAT, right? VERYCHAT is a potential project. So far they are partnership with OKS, right? And VERYCHAT have a total supply of 10 billion, and the interesting part is that 50% is for the community, which is 5 billion. If you compare VERYCHAT to Pi Network, VERYCHAT total supply is massive than Pi Network. Why not share this 5 billion? So, and one thing is about VERYCHAT is that currently is trading around 20 naira a token. One Very is trading, I think, 0.016, which is more than 20 naira in the black market. So after complete your KYC, you can sell your tokens. You can also wait for the listing. So this is very important. So this video was helpful. Consider to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I put a new video, you'll be the first person. You will see. The earlier you join, the earlier the better, and I will see you in the next one.